Right guys, I have taken everything out of here. I've given everything a little bit of a clean, not much of a clean, but just a bit of a clean. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want people to come in your home to do any kind of renovations and think, oh Lord, look at the state. So I'm just giving it everything a bit of a wipe, the sink area especially, a bit of a clean up so it doesn't look so bad. Right, I'll be back. Let's wash this a bit. Can I just clean the mirror real quick as well? And then we are done. Like I said, I'm only going to give you guys a before and after because I don't want to be trying to film these people, as they are doing a huge favour by going above and beyond. Yeah, he's doing me a big favour. So that's it guys, let me just show you now that everything is out of here. Let's give here a bit of a wipe as well real quick. Right, there it goes. Okay. Need to sort of give the bath a bit of a wipe down as well actually. But there it is. Let me give you a bit of a close up. Right guys, I have just put everything in here. I'm going to clean this shower pole and give that a bit of a wipe as well because it's a bit dusty. I've put my shower curtains in the wash. I need to empty my pan. I've put my shower curtains in the wash. I'm going to put this in the wash with it, my bathroom mat, so that when everything is done, that's nice and washed and clean. Yeah, so I will be back hopefully with the after. Okay guys, I do have to go out today. I might take you on a walk while this is getting done or after this has got finished. We'll see, but I do have an appointment. All right then guys, I'll see you in a moment. So hi guys, let me close my daughter's door. Right, so while the guy, he's gone to go and get some stuff because of the damp being so severe in here, which I knew the damp's really bad. But while he's gone, I thought I'll show you the progression so far. So let me show you what he's done so far. So pulled off these here. There's where the leak was happening. That's the actual repair. Okay, he's pulled these off as well, and then he's also scraped this up too. Oops, he scraped all this up too. Yeah, so that's how it's looking so far. He's gone to get some stuff because of the damp. He said it's quite severe, so he's gone to get some sort of a treatment, I think. I don't know if he's taking, I think he's going to buy another thing of this. I'm not too sure. For the shower, I'm not too sure. But anyway, that's what the Renovations is looking like so far. Okay. Yeah. So that's that. I'll see you in a minute. And hopefully I'll come back with when it's completed. As I said, he's just gone to get some stuff down the shops. Alright, bye. Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so it's another day and I thought I will keep you posted on what's going on with the bathrooms so far. The guy has just left a little while ago because he's put a treatment on the walls in the bathroom because of the damp. So I'm going to go and show you lot that. But first, we have this, which is from my bathroom. I'm going to wash this up, clean this up because it's looking really bad. And I've washed this many times, but as you see, it's got a lot of wear and tear. So I found this paint, and it's an outdoor paint, but it's black and it's weatherproof, waterproof as well. So I thought I'm gonna give this a bit of a coat. I've got some brushes here that I dug up from my tools cupboard, my tools, and I've got this to cover my obviously, because you shouldn't really inhale this. This is quite strong. So yeah, some masks here. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this up, and when it dries, I'm gonna paint it and bring it back to its, you know, give it a new lease of life, so to speak. But anyway, let me show you. By the way, I'm about to do a cardio workout, which I'm going to film for you guys, but let me quickly show you. So this was done yesterday, and we have new taps here as well, and new taps, and then this was done as well yesterday for it to dry. And then just now he's put this treatment all around the walls. The windows are blaring open because it has to be ventilated. You can't really inhale it, so I'm gonna come out in a minute. But yeah, that's the bathroom so far. So yeah. Keep that door closed because obviously you can't inhale the fumes of that treatment, that damp treatment, and that's why he's gone on a break. So it's got time to dry up a little bit, air out a little bit, because he can't be confined in there and do anything else until it's a little bit more dry and aired out. So that's the update so far. I'm going to come back and you're going to see me, hopefully, if this paint is any good, because I've had this paint for some time now. So let's see if there's enough paint for me to paint this thing. See if there's enough paint for me to paint this. And I'll probably do that later on today. Yeah, and I will maybe do that on camera, I don't know, or do a before and after of it, I don't know. But anyway, that's the update on the bathroom so far. Super happy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, do my workout, which I'm also going to be filming some cardio for you guys. And well, it's not for you guys, it's for me, but it's just to show you guys what I'm doing on my weight loss journey. So it's not really, it's going to be sped up. So, and you're not going to see a lot of it, you're just going to see a little clip it, like always. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go now because I really need to get this workout in before the worker comes back. And then I'm going to start digging up for my paint gloves and open this can and see what we're working with and if we can even do this. All right then, guys, I'm going to go. All right, bye. Hey guys, so this is where we're at so far in the bathroom. He's coming back again tomorrow, but this is what it's looking like so far. I think we have our first coat of paint. I think he might be doing another paint job. He did have a couple of men come in and help him this time round, but it's looking so much better. And look at the ceiling, guys, especially the ceiling. He's put a treatment as well, which I showed you earlier. He's put a damp treatment as well, for all the damp in here. And yeah, as you can see, the tiles are now fixed in place, but obviously we have to make sure we wait for these to dry, as well as over here. Yeah, so that's the update, guys. As you can see, he's left his tools and so forth right there, as he's coming back to finish off. I think tomorrow might be the last day of renovations for this bathroom, and so far so good. I am just so happy about the ceiling and, you know, getting it painted and all the damp, getting it painted, especially the ceiling and the damp treatment, guys. I'm just so grateful and just so happy about it. Anyway, that's the update for today. I'll leave you with a clip of the tiles. See you. Hi guys, I hope you can hear me, hope you can see me. Should really close the back door. Anyway, I'm hoping to paint this for my bathroom. It's a little worse for wear, and I want to bring it back to life because I'm having my bathroom done. So this won't do, so I want to paint it. I do have this paint, which is technically an outdoor paint, which makes it pretty much waterproof, so this will be ideal for this, I think. Would take quite some time to dry because I've painted furniture with this before, and it does stay sticky for, like this table and that table behind me does stay sticky for quite some time. So I'm going to leave it. My back doors are opened. I was going to do it outside, but I've decided to do it inside in case it rains. The first thing I need to check is the paint though, because I don't know this is quite old, so I don't know how much paint we have. So I'm going to put on my little gloves. Then we have this flathead. So let's actually put a bag down. Fine, it's not too thick either. It looks fine to me. It looks a bit on the blue side, however. I've got this coat hanger because I don't have like a wooden stick to mix it, so I'm going to use this to mix it. Yeah, it's looking more black now. It needed a good mixing. I was going to use some water to thin it, but I don't think I need to do that. Let's see. So I don't think this is water-based paint. I think it's more oil-based paint. So I don't think I can make it thin with water. I'm not sure, but there's enough here anyway, so I don't think I need to. Let's see. Yep, it's quite, it's not lumpy. I'm also going to do some retouches of the edge here and my table, if I'm bothered, if I could be bothered. Okay, so I have a plastic bag here. Let's move that a minute. And I have my scissors. Long enough, let's see. Yep. I have a dust sheet here. Don't know if I need it. But I'm going to lay it down underneath this plastic just in case. Or should I just... Actually, no. have my paint brushes. Right, so this is what we have so far. I have painted the other side, but I'm going to leave that to dry and then do some finishing touches.
very responsible. I don't know whose child she is. Apparently I gave birth to her. I don't know. So this thing looks like it's missing parts. What the heck? Oh, it's missing parts. Dang it. Maybe it's in the bag. Don't panic. Don't panic. But it's supposed to come.
I didn't have enough there. It must have accused me of stealing.
That was enough.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I thought I will film this. This is just a small little project in my bathroom. As you know, my bathroom is getting a bit of a makeover. However, I got this soap dispenser from work and my kids can't stand it. Mostly because it has this logo on it, which is obviously from the work brand, and it sort of makes it look a little less for the home and more a company situation for a public bathroom, shall we say. And so I've been thinking how to get off this logo. Now I know I can use rubbing alcohol, but I feel like that's probably not going to be harsh enough, and I could mix rubbing alcohol with acetone, but again I feel like that might not work, so I'm going to go for the absolute, guarantee almost. Well, I hope it's guaranteed, and that is this wallpaper stripper. So I'm gonna get some wallpaper stripper, guys, and I've got some cotton pads here. I'm gonna put it on some cotton pads, okay? And I'm really sorry that I'm so close to here, by the way. It's because I don't want you guys to see any of the rest of the bathroom until the bathroom is complete. Okay, so I also have my little working painting gloves here, and I have a Brillo pad. Well, this isn't a Brillo pad, but it's as harsh as a Brillo pad, so in order to scrape this off gently. So let me get set up and let's see if this works. And there we have it, a soap dispenser without a company logo. Now it looks a lot more better for more of a personalised bathroom setting. Okay, thought I'd share that with you. Right guys, this is an update on the bathroom. As you can see, the tiles has now been put in. Very nice, very nice. Everywhere has been freshly painted. It's not done yet. We have to keep the water in the bathtub until this has tiles has settled, because you need the weight of the water so that, you know, the tiles can stay in place, so to speak. So we have to leave the water in there. But anyway, this is it so far. He will be back again. He's left again some of his paint and that. He will be back again in a couple of days. So that's what the ceiling's looking like. It looks so good in here now. It looks so good. The door's been painted a little bit. But yeah. He's gonna come back and do the bath panel, I think. Yeah. That's what it's looking like, and yeah. We step back a bit.